So here I'm going to take you through verify student results. How do you verify student results? So you click on verify student results. You have the list of all the classes here. So we're using basic one as a case study. So as you can see, you have uh, the list of all the students here. Students ID, full name, other name, sex, result status not verified. Then we are under post comments, you have first term, second term, third term. So we are doing for third term, you click on third term. Yeah, don't forget, subjects have only been entered for these two. Scores have only been entered for these two subjects only. So you are expected to fill number on row, grade, position. Now these three here, you can leave it. Don't bother yourself about it. The system will take charge of that. Now first time weighted average, second term, third term. Now the record that you've put for first term, the system will record that and input it on their report card. The same thing with second term and that of third term. But if you are coming on board just third term, then it's going to put 00 for first and second term, but that has nothing to, it's not going to affect the average weight for the third term. So that is it. Then the system will handle the number on row, grade, position, and total percentage. Now special reports on affective domain, like I've showed you in previous videos on our YouTube channel, about how the report card actually looks like. So on the report card, you have a space for special reports on affective domain and reports on psychomotor slash skills. So here, this is where you select. Now punctuality, you rate the students between 1 to 5. 1 is the lowest, 5 is the highest. So you can decide to for class attendance, for neatness, for politeness, for relationship with others, for self-control, sense of responsibility, leadership as well. So then for handwriting, games, sports and gymnastics, fluency, drawing and painting, musical skills. So you can rate the, that's how you go about that. Then beginning of term, the height, you, that is if you have done a measurement. Then end of term, beginning of term, that's the weight. So you have to do that for height and weight. So and the end of term too, number of days absent due to illness, you can input, but you may not need to bother yourself calculating because the system will also do that. Nature of illness, is not necessary you put the nature of illness there, and if you so wish you can. Then clubs, youths, organizations, that's the any club or organizations that a pupil belongs to in school. You have different, you have jet club, you have a book reading club like that. Then office head, if is the president or probably the senior prefect, then significant contribution. Now class teachers comments, this is where the class teacher will put their comments. Test report comment. Now this class teachers comment, this is the comments that will appear on the termly report card, but this test report card is the comment that will appear on midterm report card. So you know we have end of the term report card and we have midterm report card. So this test report comment will only appear on midterm report card, while the class teachers comment will appear on end of the term report card. Then this is health teachers remark, so that is health teachers comment. So this will also appear on the end of the term report card. Then next term begins, then you click on is either repeat or promote. So is either the students will repeat or promote. So let's try to put some comments here. um So let's say next term begins 19th April 2024. So now promote. So I'll click on submit. You can see. So which means the students have been what? Promoted. Now let's come back here. You can see these have changed to what? Promoted. So why others are what? Not verified. So you have to verify each pupil's report card. So whether they are due for promotion, demotion, or they are remaining in that class. So whichever way. So that is it. So that is how to what? Verify students' report card. So then the last but not the least is a promote slash demote students. Now this promoted here is different from this promote slash demote. Now let me show you something. Now this is basic one. Click on basic one. Now you can see promoted. So these students have been promoted. Now we have 13 students in basic one. Now basic one are meant to move to basic two. So you were supposed to promote them to, when you are selecting class here, you select the class they are promoting to. So which is what? Basic two. If the class is basic two here, which means the class you select here will be basic three. So but because the class here is basic one, they are meant to promote to basic two. That's why you have promoted to basic two here. Then new academic year will not be 2023/2024. The new academic year will be 2024/2025. Then you now click on promote. So by the time you log in for the new academic year, all these students in basic one will have moved to basic two in 2024/2025 academic year. That is how to promote them. Now, the fact that you are promoting them does not mean that their record here will be deleted. No. Anytime you want to still you want to check their record in basic one 2023/2024 academic session, you can still come there and check. All you just need to do is what? Go to the login page, log in here. So you log in here, you enter your user ID and password, then you select the academic year. But the reason why the current one we have now is 2023/2024. So once we move to 2024/2025, the year will be visible here. But what we have here is actually stopped currently at 2023/2024. So in case you want to check record of last session 2022, 2023, or 2021, 2022, all you just need to do is select the academic year, then you click on login. So it will take you to that academic year. All the records that you have there, you have access to them. You'll be able to check them. So that is for students, other students, where we have promote slash demote. And we're using basic one as a case study. I've shown you how to promote from basic one to basic two, basic two to basic three, basically from one class to the other, and carry them along with the new academic session. So that is that for all you need to know about the future called students. So we have many features under students which I've been able to explain. But in case you have any question regarding after watching this video and practicalizing it, please feel free to reach out to us. Call our customer support line. Feel free to chat us up on WhatsApp or reach out to us on any of our social media platform, or you can even drop a comment on this video. Yes, under this video, in our YouTube channel. You can drop a comment for us. We'll respond to that as soon as possible. All right. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for believing in us. We love you all. Thanks.